Hi everyone, I'm really excited to announce the launch of my new drawing course, the LZM Drawing Method, on my website, lzmstudio.com. This course is the building block for many creative careers that you might want to pursue, and also other creative expressions and art forms that you might be interested in, because it's just about drawing. We're only going to use a pencil and paper to keep your costs really low and to condense your learning so that you're just getting the essence of drawing. In my 20 years of teaching, I've learned what resonates with students, how to explain and demonstrate the most difficult concepts in drawing. The LZM drawing method includes over 20 hours of videos, each with a companion handout, over 100 photos of objects to draw, and over 70 examples of successful and unsuccessful drawings from exercises in the video. The LZM drawing method delivers thorough explanations and clear instruction so that this college-level material is accessible to kids as young as 7 years old. The first 5 modules cover all the essential fundamentals of drawing, from how to use the most basic tools to complex concepts about how to condense 3D forms onto the flat drawing page. We'll go over multiple approaches to proportion so that you learn to develop proper sizes and placement of shapes. Then we'll tackle perspective in a way that allows you some comfort puzzling through this complex system. After that, we'll cover a module that's totally unique to my method, spatial thinking, so that you can start to apply perspective in both simple and complex forms. Then we'll get to the heart of my teaching, volumetric shading. This is a totally unique approach to a common topic with proven results that will set you apart from the crowd. Once you've mastered these modules, I introduce you to considering line quality with demonstrations so that you can start to draw more creative interpretations of your world. Drawing games, because why not have fun while learning a lot of drawing? And then we'll put all your skills together with my bonus of finished projects. Online, I'll also have a forum, which is a great option for those who want more interaction with me. To learn more about drawing with me, click the I in the upper right corner to go to my website, lzmstudio.com, to start your 7-day free trial of my drawing course.